Log into your Facebook account. Navigate to your Facebook page. In the Page Setup tab, you can edit the page name and username. Select the Page Roles tab to manage roles and permissions for team members or agencies. Click on Add New to assign roles. Set who can follow your page. Choose who can see your followers on your timeline. Manage who can comment on your public posts. Utilize the profanity filter to automatically moderate offensive language. Add specific words to the moderation block list to filter out unwanted comments. Define the target audience for your page by setting preferred locations and age restrictions. This helps Facebook recommend your page to relevant users. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can effectively manage and customize your Facebook page settings to suit your business or personal needs.